Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ram 3500 garage door opener. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely outside your garage. Locate the 3 HomeLink buttons, usually found on your overhead console. You will also need your existing garage door opener remote control for the programming process. This setup is straightforward and takes just a few minutes to complete, ensuring convenience for your daily routine. Before programming, it's important to clear any old codes from your system. Press and hold the 2 outer HomeLink buttons on your console at the same time. Keep holding them until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This quick flash confirms that all previous programming has been successfully erased, preparing your system for new settings and a fresh start. Now, let's program with your remote. Hold your garage door remote about 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink buttons. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen HomeLink button and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then release. For rolling code systems, you have one more step. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit and press it quickly. You have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. Inside, press and hold your programmed HomeLink button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release action 2 more times to complete the synchronization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.